Model, 64-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 Cdi X long wheelbase, long MOT orange ready to drive away. Body, orange, panel van. Mileage, 295,859. MOT, the 7th of August 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HP